What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about the best affiliate marketing programs 2018. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video, the best affiliate marketing programs 2018. So I'm going to list about 4 or 5 and stay tuned until at the end. I'm going to give you my number one recommendation of how to make money and my number one recommendation of an affiliate marketing program that can teach you from point A to Z, like a step-by-step, all included into one. They have support team, they have trainers, and they have a lot of different things. So stay until the end of this video. I'm going to be telling you about the best affiliate marketing programs 2018. So I'm going to share my screen. So I'm going to go from the top all the way to the number one. All right. So let me quickly share my screen and show you guys. So here we go. The first one. The first one is Clickbank. All right. And if you guys don't know what Clickbank is, you can sign up for free. It is absolutely free. And create an account. And what they have number of products which you can advertise. And if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliates are people who just go out and advertise a product or service, and they get paid via either through their bank or through their PayPal account or whatever payment method they have available for you, right? So Clickbank, as you can see right now, I'm going to go in the affiliate marketplace. So inside the affiliate marketplace, there's a lot of different products that you can advertise. So let's go into health and wellness, right? So if you're in the health and wellness area, you see right here, this shows that flat belly fix, right? So you can go on here and you can find out the affiliate marketing page. So you could click on this and you can promote. So the average sale is what, $33.69, and you always want to look at the gravity as well. So the gravity here shows you that they sold over 134 this week. So this is like hot selling. So anyone start from the top all the way down is always hot. You always want to look at the gravity. Likewise, this one as well. They sold over 306 this week. So this one is the flat decimeter system by Wesley Millionaire. Let's go. I know Wesley Millionaire. He's a cool guy. He's always promoting his stuff. So these are people who have like different products and services that you can advertise and you get paid. So that's the first one. All right, the next one is Jvzoo, right? So Jvzoo is a great platform. You could sign up for free as well. And when you come down here, they have multiple different products. So this is like, this is one of the best affiliate programs in 2018. So Jvzoo, they have e-commerce, they have financing, they have health and wellness. So let me tap into the e-commerce, right? Tap into that, top categories, e-commerce. Let's see what they have available. All right, so look at this. They have mailbox money magnet. So mailbox money magnet, discover how to instantly get more people opening and reading and clicking your emails. So if someone want to know how to go about mailbox, right, they could buy that. It's $20. You can be an affiliate marketer of that as well. So they have the affiliate side, so you can log in, and they have multiple different categories. If you look over here, they have entertainment. So it's not, it's not only just make money online. There's a lot of different things out there that you can use. So you have like internet marketing, you have mobile, so maybe people want to know about phones and smartphones, right? Right there, publishing and writing. So you want to pick a niche that you are in. So if you're in a specific niche, you definitely want to do that. They have gaming, they have entertainment, they have education, all that different stuff. So that was one of the best affiliate marketing program 2018. And remember, stay with me at the end because I'm going to give you guys my number one recommendation of the best affiliate marketing 2018. The next one is Max Bounty. Now, Max Bounty, you can apply. It is absolutely free, right? You can become an advertiser or you can become an affiliate. And they have a lot of different products that you can advertise as well. And whenever you advertise, and if someone buys that specific product, they're going to pay you. So these are all legit websites. They're great. I've used them. I have a Max Bounty account, right? And I have a Jvzoo account, and I have a Clickbank account. So all these are things that I'm using and are testing, and they work for me. So that's why I want to share with you guys the best affiliate programs in 2018. And you can do this and work from home as well, which is great, right? So Max Bounty, they have, let me click on the affiliates, right? So you can join Max Bounty team. Our rates are the highest. That's why we call ourselves Max Bounty. So they give you like a little information, and it's a great company, right? And they have everything down here that, look at that. They got even a 1,000 new affiliate bonus, right? So Max Bounty is only network that will offer a $1,000 performance-based bonus. Simply earn a minimum of $1,000 per month in your first 3 months on our network, and you will receive this bonus automatically. All right, so this can be, these are things that it doesn't matter where you're from, all over the world, the best affiliate marketing programs, right? And they do like weekly payments. So weekly payments, right? They pay by MasterCard, check, PayPal, ACH, Bitcoin, if you guys into that. So they're all over, right? They advertise a lot of different things. And my number one affiliate marketing program is Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is great. It's a great program, and you could sign up, right? So shooting this video right now, you guys can sign up, and if you guys want to learn more about it, they have multiple different products inside of Legendary Marketer. They have like different prices, they have different stuff, and they have the affiliate. So I'm going to show you the affiliate side. They have multiple different products. They have like affiliate marketing blueprint, and you can be an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, right? So they have like the affiliate side. So if you look, they're updating the platform, and this is coming out, and this is going to be huge. So this is going to help out a lot of people, right? So what Legendary Marketer is launching, they're launching this where you can actually create, right? You can create a free account with Legendary Marketer, right? So this is coming out in November. Right now it's October, so next month. So probably if you're watching this a year from now, yes, you can become a free affiliate. So you can sign up for free, and you could promote their products, and they're going to start to give you incentive if people sign up and buy whatever products inside of our system. So that is huge. And this is an international company as well. It's global, so anybody can sign up. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link down below. Check out Legendary Marketer, and you could sign up. For right now, you could sign up, and you could be a part of the pro level, where you can earn a much more higher commission at the pro level, and that's going to be great. So you could sign up right now, take massive action. So I hope this video helps. These are the best affiliate marketing programs in 2018. All right, talk to you guys. Hope you enjoy that video. Peace out. Bye for now.